Django admin add custom filter. I'm using Django 1.10, and I need to display data and create a filter based on a value from a different model, which has a foreign key referencing my model, that is used on the admin template. These are my two models. This one is used to generate the template. This is the other one that holds a foreign key reference to my first one. Inside my template, I have been able to display the latest start and end times. And then I just call this inside the list_display, and that is working fine. However, I have trouble setting a filter field using these criteria. If I just add it to my list_filter, then I get an error that there is no such field inside my model, which is true, since that one is in another table that has reference to my job table. So I was wondering, what is the right approach to solve this? Do I need to create another function for the filter itself? But even then I'm not sure how should I call it inside the list_filter. Here is a snippet of my Django admin page. Edit. In the meantime, I tried to solve it with a simple list filter, but I am unable to get it to work. I would like to place two input fields with the calendar like the default data range filter, that would represent the start and end time, and then return data based on those values. This is my prototype functionality for the simple filter. It works, but it returns hard-coded data.
I would go with customized field list filter, as it allows to bind filter to different model fields based on your requirements. What is we actually do to implement such filter is next. Build lookup_quarks GTE and LTE and specify them as expected _parameters. Define choices to return empty list, otherwise note implemented error. Create form to care fields validation. Create custom template which just outputs form, for example, spec.form. If form is valid, take its clean data. Filter out nuns and filter query set, otherwise do something with errors. In code below, errors are silenced. Filter code. Form can be as simple as follows.
This isn't exactly what you've asked for, but you could instead have the filter on the job adoration mode admin. This way, you can get the corresponding jobs filtered according to the add_activated and add_finished fields. And I've added a link to the job field, so you can directly click it for easier navigation. To make it a date HTML5 filter, I've used Django admin range filter library. If you indeed want to go the existing route, filter inside job admin, then things will get quite complicated.
I have recently faced similar problem where I needed to filter data based on value from another model. This can be done using simple list filter. You just need a little tweak in the lookup and query set function. I will suggest you to install Django debug toolbar so that you may know what SQL queries are being executed internally by Django. And in list_filter.
What is that channel? Please consider subscribing.